No pitches tonight. Good morning! I have to do with thousands of mosquitoes. It's insane. Oh, they're all over the place. So I try to cover everything, and yeah, I really don't want to go to the tent. Hello. How cute. I see you on the lake. It's raining. Unbelievable. Let's go. The hotel sign said breakfast was available for non-guests, but the hotel was closed. Well, I'm right here in Oban. There is this place, Battery Hill. It said it is an open stone tower, but it looks more like a coliseum. And I saw that you're actually allowed to fly a drone. I don't know if it's true. On the DJI app it says there's a designated area for that. Yeah, let's continue. tower looks amazing. With the port in the background, the seagull here, the paid actor. Amazing. Oh, I love it. This structure is the McCaig Tower, located on Battery Hill. It was commissioned and designed by John Stuart McCaig, who wanted to create a lasting memorial for his family. The design was inspired by the Colosseum in Rome. Construction began in 1897 and ended in 1902 with his death. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. That's incredible. That's unbelievable. Wow. Incredible, huh? Look at that. So incredible. Oh, in both directions. And there are sheep. So I had to change my plan because the ferry is not for vehicles. So I have to ride a quite big detour. So let me see. This should be possible here. So, perfect. Now I can take a look at the waterfall. So I switched to Google navigation now because I just take the, let's say, fastest route to Anstruther. I have 1 hour 23 left, should be there 6:30, and yeah, around about 100 kilometers. So just makes sense to go a bit faster now. So usually I would continue north, and now I have to get back to Edinburgh, and that's because I booked the ferry to the Isle of May tomorrow. So that's a lot of back and forth riding, which I usually don't like, but yeah, let's hope it's worth it. Let's hope I can see some puffins. I lost my GoPro foam today. I don't know how this is even possible, because all I did after the waterfall was putting the GoPro in the tank bag. I have no idea where it's gone. But yeah, the foam for the microphone is just gone. So I kinda have to buy a new GoPro Media Mod. Yeah. I'm not in the best mood right now, but okay, I can't help. It is what it is. I will start tomorrow. I don't think you can see it very well, but it's down there. Oh yeah, you can see the ships. Now I try to go to the campsite and hope I can get a spot. It's a caravan park, that's why I'm not sure if they have a place for a tent, but I hope so. Would be fantastic. Then I would start early in the morning and walk there. I can go in here. Welcome to Silver Dyke Park. Holiday homes, lodges. Well, I will try my luck. Yeah, it's 6:30. That's one reason why I took the faster route now, because last time they were all closed very early. I think this is reception here. Information. Reception. Ah, there it is. Also just park the bike here and ask if they have places for tents. That's no option. It's closed since 4 p.m. and they have a sign at the door that we're fully booked, don't call us. So yeah, got it. I won't call. There's a very small campsite not far from here. I will try my luck there. Camping tents. Next campsite. Ah, there. No pitches tonight. Really? Please. Arrive, strictly no visitors, cash only. I think I won't be lucky. That will be funny. So she told me they don't have showers, and I desperately need a shower. But she also told me that all the campsites are booked out here in this region at the moment. There is one campsite, it's quite far away, but yeah, if I'm not lucky there, I don't know, because she gave me some phone numbers. I tried to call them, but no one is even answering the phone. What a wonderful view. I just asked at this campsite and they told me immediately, nope, we're fully booked. So yeah, it's getting funny. Incredible. Wow, that looks really, really cool. So, I made it to a campsite. It took quite some time. I had to ask 5 campsites. They told me all they're fully booked. But yeah, I made it. At this campsite I kinda had to beg that they give me the spot. It's not an official spot, I'm just in the middle of all the other tents. So yeah, was quite lucky, but on the weekends it's quite difficult here. I rode 414 kilometers today, so it was quite a lot. I will show you the map real quick. I started this morning right here, and then I drove a bit like up, down, and then I drove north from Edinburgh to this side, and I wanted to sleep here, but that was not possible, so I had to drive up, and now I'm here. I will stay at this campsite for 2 days, so tomorrow I will just ride to the port and do my boat trip, and will return to this campsite again. It was a beautiful day. I had lots of beautiful mountains. I had a great campsite yesterday, and now I have a great campsite again. I had good weather for Scotland. I had no real rain, a few drops, but no rain. So it was a great day. Yeah. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And see you for the next video. Goodbye.